Welcome to today's lesson on common opposite words. Hot, cold. Hot, the tea is hot. Cold, the ice cream is cold. Fast, slow. Fast, the car is moving fast. Slow, the turtle is slow. Happy, sad. Happy, she is happy with her new toy. Sad, he feels sad about the bad news. Light, dark. Light, the room is full of light. Dark, it's dark outside. Big, small. Big, the elephant is big. Small, the mouse is small. Clean, dirty. Clean, my hands are clean now. Dirty, your shoes are dirty. Strong, weak. Strong, he is strong enough to lift the box. Weak, the sick man feels weak. Tall, short. Tall, the giraffe is tall. Short, the boy is too short to reach the shelf. Easy, difficult. Easy, this math problem is easy. Difficult, that puzzle is very difficult. Early, late. Early, I wake up early in the morning. Late, she was late for school. Great job! You've learned 10 common opposites with verbs today. Keep practicing these verbs in your sentences and conversations. See you next time.